Hello, everyone. I'm Mia. Today, I will take you through my day at school. You'll hear slow and clear English to help you learn. Ready? Let's go. I arrive at school at 8 a.m. I say, "Good morning" to my friend Sarah. Good morning, Sarah. Good morning, Mia. How are you today? I am good, thanks. And you? I'm fine. Ready for class? Yes, I am ready. Let's go.
Good morning, class. Please sit down.
I forgot my notebook. You can borrow mine. Thank you, Sarah.
Today, we learn new words for school. Listen and repeat. Pencil, notebook, desk, teacher, classroom.
Mia, what do you have in your bag? I have a pencil and a notebook. Good. Repeat after me. I have a pencil. I have a pencil. Now, I have a notebook. I have a notebook.
Let's play ball. Yes. 1, 2, 3, and we kick. Your English is improving. Thank you. Playing and talking helps me. At 12 p.m., I go to the cafeteria. I say, "May I have a sandwich, please?"
Here you go, Mia.
Thank you. What do you have for lunch? I have a sandwich and an apple. What about you? What do you have? I have a salad and an orange.
Today's topic is math. Mia, what is 2 plus 3?
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Well done. Let's practice more. What is 4 plus 5? 4 plus 5 equals 9. And finally, what is 2 plus 5? 2 plus 5 equals 7.
Mia, see you tomorrow. See you. Goodbye, Sarah. That was my school day. Let's practice. Repeat these sentences after me slowly and clearly. I arrive at school at 8 a.m. I say, "Good morning." I have a pencil. May I have a sandwich, please? 2 plus 3 equals 5. Thank you for spending the day with me at school. Keep practicing listening and speaking. Like, subscribe, and write in the comments. My favorite class is, or I go to school at. See you next time, and happy learning.